My name is Leo. I came from the Philippines. I've been here in Iringa for 7 years now, and I keep coming in this place, especially when I feel tired because I love the environment here. I love the panorama here. I just sit in the front and take my castle beer just to relax, ko magalia moyo, just like what the Tanzanians said, and it's perfect. So I'd like to invite you guys to come here. It's the best place.
Hello, Iringa. This time we're in Iringa, a region in Tanzania that is recognized for its rich history, adventure, and cultural tourism. Just off the southern highland region of Tanzania, stand majestically on top of the Gangilonga rocks in Iringa town, stands a beautiful hotel like no other. So how did the CEO, Mr. Batista, transform this naturally rocky and forestry place into such an incredible place to visit? And how does he maintain the top quality that is expected from him?
My name is Baptista Filipatali. I am the director of Iringa Sunset Hotel, a hotel which is located in Iringa town, just at the outskirts of the town. We are about 2 kilometers from the center of town.
Would like to take this opportunity to welcome you at our hotel, Iringa Sunset Hotel, which is a natural place to visit. So we're having quite a number of services, with our main one, which is accommodation, but other services are a conference service. We have a food and beverage service. We have a gym, also a swimming pool with a heated water.
We decided to choose this location strategically. Number one, we would like to be a little bit out of the center of town for the peaceful nature and atmosphere that you will have here. But number two, it's the environment itself. When I say strategically, we want it to be high up enough to be able to see the sun setting, but also to have the view of the whole city of Iringa.
We just want the guests to feel that they are in Iringa. So our rooms are full characterized by our traditional culture. Also, every room you're going to experience a different piece of art with different interior designing, which focused on traditions, also culture, with our local materials.
Gangilonga means a stone that can speak, was traditionally used by the Hair Society as a place of worship and to speak to the ancestors. But during the colonial resistance of East Africa, the Chief Mkwawa of the Hair tribe used this place as a viewing point to spot the German troops coming to his place. From the same location now stands the beautiful area where you can watch the beautiful sunset in Iringa.
There are so many good things that you can enjoy when you come to Iringa Sunset Hotel, especially for the lovers of nature. The area itself entails how much it is natural. You can see it's full of stones, natural stones, that we maintain them as they were created by God. We don't hammer any stone, we make them live. It's only areas that have got space, that's where we can put a house or any kind of service.
I'm here to ensure the food and beverage department, working on principles of the hotels, but also to ensure the quality and quantity of service that can perceive the nature of our hotel, but also to promote the kind of service that we are selling. That can be the taste of the different kind of food, different kind of beverage, of cocktail, inside promotion of service, and whatever the case, to ensure that we meet the organization demand, but also we promote the tourism business in terms of hospitality industry.
With exclusive access, we go behind the scene to see what makes Sunset, Sunset.
Like now, I'm going to take you to our kitchen, but you guys have to put on the internet that to ensure our food is produced under quality and safety.
We are going inside. You better eating. Exactly.
Its epic panoramic view inspired the CEO to create such a beautiful hotel that leaves a lasting impression. The only place you get to see a beautiful sunset in Iringa is at Sunset Hotel.
The natural trees that you find around here, they make the area really unique. So for that reason, we really invite those who love nature to come and enjoy peaceful stay, peaceful atmosphere, natural environment right here at Iringa Sunset Hotel.
But what challenges does the hotel face? And how does it strive to be the top?
One of the challenges that we get is, upkeeping with the demands of customers. Customers want to come and stay with us. Sometimes we are fully booked, we can't accommodate the numbers that come here to Sunset. And so it is the challenge on how we can grow. Growing without destroying the nature.
Yes, hello. Yeah. Yes. Hold on. Yes, restaurant Lucy speaking, karibu. Yes, cream of mushroom soup, chicken fried rice, chicken makange with ugari, beef makange. Okay, you are welcome. Okay. Yes, hello. Yeah, thank you.
First category, we're having standard rooms with various rooms, and if you can experience the names of the rooms are more of the regions which are found in Tanzania, also the national park. So in this standard category of rooms, we are having rooms like Kitulo, Ruaha, also Mikumi. We also have Lindi, Mtwara, Katavi, and Udzungwa. In the second category, we are having deluxe rooms, both block type and wooden type, with the rooms named as Zanzibar. We have Morogoro room, also Dar es Salaam, and on the wooden part we have Selu, Sadan, Mkomazi, also Manyara, Tanga, Victoria, and Tanganyika. Third category, we are having deluxe premium rooms with various names of Kitonga, Mahale, Gombe. Also we have a room called Ngorongoro, and other rooms are Kilimanjaro, Arusha, Mbeya, and Iringa. And the next category is executive superior rooms, and these are the rooms which are characterized of the view of the town. Also, it can view the hills and the Gangironga Rock. And these rooms are very spacious. Their names are Nyerere Room, the name of our late first president of Tanzania. Also, we have a Chato Room, the name of the place of our president, the late John Pombe Magufuli. And also we have the room called Serengeti, and this room is very big, as we can pronounce his name, referring the national park in Kilimanjaro called Serengeti, which is very famous in Tanzania. And also we have the great category of the rooms called executive suites. And these rooms have been given the names depending to the history of Iringa. The first room is called Gangironga Room, and this taking the name due to the place where we are. When Gangironga, and we are having a very great rock called Gangironga, meaning the stone which used to speak. So when you are in Gangironga room, you just refer to the history back of our rock, which is very great in Iringa. In the other room, it's called Mkwawa, and this reflects us about our chief who was known as Mkwawa, who fought the Germany around the 18th century. So through this room is taking the history of the chief, who also represent Tanzania as one of the four heroes of the country. In that time it was called Tanganyika, and the Chief Mkwawa was located in this southern part of now called Iringa.
Sunset Hotel will take you through other attractive places, be it the Ismaila Stone Site, Odzungwa Mountains, Mkwawa Museum, or even the Ruaha National Park.
Coming to Iringa Sunset Hotel, you will never want to miss coming to our Sunset Terrace. This Sunset Terrace is a bar which is built on top of the hill. You can tell the Sunset Hotel itself is built on top of the hill, which is about 1,600 meters from the sea level. Now, our Sunset Terrace is built on top of it, which gives the best view, 360 degrees of the mountains, of the town, of the sun setting that you can see from this unique bar.
Thanks to the creativity, this unique hotel offers more than just accommodation. It combines the new and the old, fused with delicious food from different nationalities, spanning from Europe, Asia, and of course, our very own truly African recipes. They deliver to guests what it takes to impress. The history is reserved. A new place to visit is created. No doubt this remote location brings the most of the hotel experience.